Okay, we're just gonna ignore the fact that there's literally a hole in my shirt. I still wanted to wear it though, so. Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm coming at you with another how I plan and organize my life. I think it's like really super interesting to see how people like organize themselves and plan, like use calendars. Do they use like a planner? Do they use their like phone calendar? And how people plan like YouTube videos and stuff like that. I have another video on that, and that was how I did it in like 2019. So now I'm going to do the 2020 version. I have changed a couple of things, and one thing to know about me is that I love change. So I change how I organize myself a lot. And if you like videos like this, I make a ton of like decluttering, organizing, planning videos, so stick around and subscribe and press the bell for that. I think if you like this video, then you'll like a lot of my videos. So let's get right on into how I organize and plan my life in 2020. And also, I'm trying out different hairstyles, so like, let me know if this is a bust or not. Leave a like if it's good, and leave a dislike if it's ugly. I'm gonna start off with all the electronic things. I used to have a planner. I did actually buy a 2020 planner. Didn't really use it that much, basically because when I was bringing it to coffee shops and stuff, it would just be so hard because I want everything on my phone, because what if I'm out and then like I get a text from my manager or something like, can you call at like 6 p.m. Tuesday? Like, how am I gonna remember to bring my planner with me and put that in my planner? I just decided to put everything like calendar wise on my laptop and my phone calendar, so just like the Apple calendar, and I love how it syncs between your phone and your laptop, so it's just like everything's perfect, everything's fine. So I use the calendar, and I use it in a very specific way. I use the different color coordination thingies for different areas of my life and like what I want to put in my calendar. So I have my laptop right here so I can like tell you exactly what I do. Purple is what I use the most often, so that's like filming and stuff that I just have to like do in my life. So this will be like appointments, when I'm going to film, so I plan out the days that I'm going to film certain videos. Just like everyday life stuff, if I have to like bring my car in for service, I'll put it in purple. Just like all the stuff that I'm doing. That's a really good way to put it. I'm so sorry, I keep touching my hair and this is actually like really bad. I feel like I should definitely just take it out. And also when I'm filming, when I'm taking Instagram photos, photo shoots, all in purple. Then we have red, and red is uploading, strictly just my video schedule, and it's just when it's going to be published on public. It's usually on Wednesday and Sunday, so I post twice a week, and then through December I'm posting 3 to 4 times a week, so make sure you subscribe for that. So really simple, it's just like one color for YouTube, and like YouTube's also red, so it just like associates in my mind. Then we have blue, and this is actually a new thing that I added that is different from last time, and that is for sponsorships only. So any partnerships that I'm doing, any sponsorships that I'm doing, I put in this light blue color, and I'm pretty sure I made it like custom. You can make custom colors on calendar now, which is super riveting. So this is when I have to submit a draft, or when I have to make a sponsorship, and when I have to post the sponsorship and make it public. And then I have one more, which is green, for holidays. So calendar is where I always plan out my uploading schedule. It's all in calendar, all in one spot. I just really like it organized like that. Let me know down below if you guys are using a actual planner or an electronic planner, because I just really love like the electronic one right now. I don't know, probably in 2 seconds I'm gonna switch. Guess in the comments how long it's going to take me to start using my other planner again. Then I have notes. Notes is where I plan videos. So I have all these little like categories in my notes. I have a bunch of folders for everything to keep it organized, and one of the biggest ones that I use there is YouTube. So I plan my videos, I put video ideas, collaboration / partnership ideas, so any YouTuber that I want to collab with or any company that I want to do a partnership with. Instagram captions, so when I am doing a sponsored Instagram post or something like that, I always have to plan my caption out in advance and then send to the brand for approval. And if I have them just like in a separate note every single time, and I have like the title like Function of Beauty Instagram caption, and then I put the photo and the caption, and it's all planned, I have it all right there, and I can access it from anywhere. That's how I plan my Instagram captions. Not every single one, I just like pick one in my head like when I'm just posting a regular photo. Oh, I also have a whole folder for lists, and lists is actually a really useful one. I have a wish list one in there which just keeps track of stuff that I want. So if it comes to like birthday or Christmas, I'll already have a bunch of stuff that I could potentially ask for. So here's your reminder to start that wish list. There's a bucket list. I have like a bucket list in there. I have a packing list. Yeah, I just have a ton of different lists in there, so I love making lists. Leos love making lists. Did you know that? Then I have a workouts one, or like a fitness folder, and I put just like workouts that I find on TikTok and stuff in there. Oh, I also take notes for whenever I'm on a call. I just want to like remember remember what we're talking about, and if we have any important dates for like launches or something, any details about a sponsorship or anything, I like to write it down in notes. And what I'll do is I'll just put the date of the call, and then I'll just write some like bullet point notes in there. I also have notes on acting, so I have a whole folder for that. Something I definitely also suggest that you do is you pin the most important or most like frequently used notes. The one that I have pinned right now is the video ideas one. It pins it to the top so that it'll be like easier for you to find. The next thing that I have is reminders, and this is once again shared between my phone and my laptop. I have 4 lists here. The first one is to do, basic to-do list things. These are things that I need to do like in the next couple of days or in this week. I want to get these things done. Then I have to do for the month. These are things that I want to get done in the month. I don't think I really had to explain that. These are like goals and things that I kind of want to like accomplish this month, or things that kind of just like popped into my head and I want to kind of get going. Then I have a to buy, very simple. And the next one I actually added recently, it's a links one. So if I'm editing a video and I see myself saying like, and I will link down below what I'm wearing, when I'm editing, I'll put a little reminder there and I'll just be like link outfit. So that when I'm putting my video up, I won't forget to put the links that I mentioned in the description. It just keeps me nice and organized and love it. Oh my gosh, I can launch my iOS pack now. Guys, go buy my iOS 14 icon pack. They're just launching. Something that I didn't mention in the other video was the photos. So in my favorites folder are the ones that I'm going to post. So these are already edited. They're completely edited, ready to go up. So I'll put all of the ones that I'm going to post in favorites. It's super easy just to be like, okay, let me go to the favorites album, and I know that all of them are there. So I won't put them there unless they're completely ready to be posted. Also, I put in shared albums the photo shoots that I've done. So if I've done a photo shoot with an actual like photographer and we went out and we did like a bunch of locations and stuff, I like to separate them in different albums, and I'll put them in a shared album so that I can get them from my laptop and my phone. UM is how I plan my Instagram feed. I've been using them for so long, and I have the elite version right now and I really like it. So you can plan your Instagram feed, obviously the grid. You can also see it with like if you wanted your profile picture on it, so you can see what it would look like with that. You can also, what I love about this is you can time post. So I like to post my Instagram photos like at before my peak like engagement time, if that makes sense. So like before the most amount of people are on Instagram, like of my followers. If I don't have a reminder, I'm probably not going to remember. You can take that photo on UM and post it directly to Instagram. There are so many things I like about it. Definitely go download it. It's free, and all of the free things that you get with it are like literally all you need. So I will link that down below, and while I'm editing this video, I'm gonna put it in the links list to link it down below. See how things work out. Also, if you just wanted to see what my phone layout looks like, you can go to my recent video, which was my what's on my iPhone. And if you wanted my iOS icon pack, you can click down below. But the next thing I want to talk about is my daily planner. So let me go get that actually. As you guys might know, there's a YouTuber, Lavender. I have loved her videos for so long, and I decided to get her Create Today daily planner. This is really nice because it's not so complicated, but it also has the things that you want to plan out for your day. It's also super simple, aesthetically pleasing, and it fits super easy in a backpack or a purse. There's no spirals on it, which I absolutely hate when there's spirals because they get all bent. She also sent me another one, so I'm literally never gonna run out of these, so thank you so much. So you write the date at the top. What I love about this is it's not dated for you, so you could literally not use it one day if you're having like a lazy day and you literally don't need a to-do list, or you could use it every single day and you just put the date and then you circle Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like whichever day it is. I love how there's an inspirational quote at the top. That's so cute, and it just like brightens your day in the morning. And I have the 3 most important tasks up here, and I usually limit myself to like 2 or 3 tasks in the actual to do, so I don't like feel overwhelmed while I'm looking at this freaking like long list of stuff that I have to do. Self-care, I will usually put like pamper night or Netflix after everything's done, or like seeing my friends, something like that. When I have all these tasks that I have to do, I can just look slightly to the right and I will instantly be happy, you know what I mean? And then I have I'm I'm grateful for, which I actually do at the beginning of the day, and I'll just put 3 things that I'm grateful for there. Today's wins, I will put, I don't really use this as a today's wins actually, like I don't put like, oh, like this happened today, blah blah blah. I will actually use this as a more of a law of attraction, like affirmations thing. So this is something that I'm looking forward to in the future. I am manifesting. It's like an affirmations kind of thing. I don't know, you can watch my video on that. In the notes, I will literally just scribble anything that I'm thinking of that day, and by the end of the day I will go through and check everything off, and I will look at the notes to see if I need to add anything to my calendar. So love this, and I will also link her shop down below. She has other stationery things and stuff, but this is literally the only stationery thing that I'm using right now. I guess that's how I plan and organize my life. And guys, I'm using my ring light right now, so like this is what it would be without, and then this is with. It just like balances everything out. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and subscribe and press the bell if you want to see more videos like this. I love making these types of videos. I feel like there's a tear running down my face right now. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.